Today, we're in East Bandon, touring a home that feels like classic Oregon. At the end of a long gravel driveway, surrounded by 2 acres with mature trees, you'll find this 4-bedroom home, a large powered shop, RV and boat parking, and plenty of room to enjoy the outdoors. Built in 1976, this home offers 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 2,000 square feet of living space. A long gravel driveway winds through the trees before opening into a clearing where the home sits, surrounded by lawn and mature evergreens, creating privacy from the road. Alongside the house is a detached 1,064 square foot shop with power and a concrete floor, giving you space for woodworking, equipment, hobbies, or storage. Outside the shop is a fish cleaning station, a practical feature after a day on the Coquille River or along the southern Oregon coast. There's also covered RV and boat parking, plus an attached 2-car garage. Inside, the home has been updated while keeping much of its original Northwest character. The living room is centered around vaulted cathedral ceilings, finished with exposed wood beams and natural wood plank ceilings that immediately draw your eye upward. The wood stove creates a warm focal point during the cooler months. The open layout connects the living room with the dining area and kitchen, making the main living spaces feel connected without feeling oversized. The kitchen has been completely remodeled with updated cabinetry, countertops, and appliances, giving the home a fresh, move-in ready feel while fitting in naturally with the surrounding wood finishes. There's generous workspace for everyday cooking, along with plenty of cabinet storage. Three of the 4 bedrooms are located on the main level, along with a beautifully remodeled bathroom featuring radiant heated floors. Upstairs, the entire second level is dedicated to the primary bedroom. Radiant heated floors continue throughout this level, and the remodeled bathroom includes the same heated flooring. Outside, the 2-acre parcel offers a mix of open lawn and mature woodland. There's room for gardening, outdoor gatherings, equipment, or simply enjoying the natural setting. Properties with usable acreage like this continue to be popular because they offer space without being far from town. From here, you're only a short drive from local beaches and the shops and restaurants in Old Town Bandon. The Coquille River is nearby for fishing and boating, and the world-renowned Bandon Dunes Golf Resort is just a short drive away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.